Hey everyone, welcome back to Shopping Ideas with Akitaz. Today we've got an exciting product that's perfect for toddlers and young kids, a play kitchen set. This toy kitchen includes all the essential accessories for pretend play, making it an ideal gift for Christmas, Halloween, or birthdays. Let's dive into the features of this amazing kids' kitchen play set. This play kitchen set is specially designed for toddlers who love to pretend cook and imitate grown-ups. It's a great way for kids to explore their creativity and imagination in a safe, fun environment. Playing with a kitchen set helps kids develop important skills like hand-eye coordination, social interaction, and even early interest in cooking. Plus, it's a great way to keep kids engaged and entertained for hours, whether they're cooking a big holiday meal or having a mini tea party. With its bright colors and realistic details, this kitchen playset makes the perfect gift for Halloween, Christmas, or any special occasion. What makes this kitchen set even better is that it's very easy to assemble. Within just a few minutes, you can have the entire kitchen ready for play, so parents don't have to worry about a long setup. It's compact enough to fit comfortably in your play area or living room, yet big enough for kids to feel like they have their own space to cook and create. Let's start with the basics. This play kitchen set is designed with vibrant colors and realistic details that instantly grab kids' attention. It's perfectly sized for toddlers and young children, giving them their very own kitchen space to pretend, imagine, and explore. The set comes with various kitchen accessories. We have pots, pans, cooking utensils, cups, and even a little pretend food. All of these accessories are made from child-safe, non-toxic materials, which means they're perfect for little hands and completely safe for toddlers to play with. This play kitchen helps toddlers develop hand-eye coordination as they pour and stir, build motor skills as they handle the tiny utensils, and strengthen their social skills if they're role-playing with others. Some children might even develop an early interest in cooking. How cute is that? Another fun idea is to give them our restaurant's theme where they can be the chef and parents or siblings can play the role of customers. This helps kids explore different roles and learn more about communication, sharing, and taking turns. With this kitchen set, kids can also experiment with recipes by mixing different pretend foods. This kind of imaginative play is not only entertaining, but also encourages creativity and storytelling. Now, if you're thinking about gift ideas, this kitchen play set is a top choice for many occasions. For Christmas, it's an incredible gift that brings a lot of joy and interactive play. Imagine the excitement of unwrapping a new kitchen set. It's a toy that'll keep them engaged and entertained long after the holiday season. This play kitchen set is also a fantastic birthday gift, especially if you're looking for something unique and educational that'll grow with them. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest finds. See you next time on Shopping Ideas with Akitaz with more awesome products for you and your family. Happy shopping!